In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a board as an image in Whimsical. Let's dive right in and walk through this simple process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Whimsical website. Open your browser and go to the Whimsical login page. Once you're there, you'll see the Login option. If you typically use Google to log in, go ahead and click on Login with Google. This method is quick and convenient, especially if you access Whimsical via a Google account. After you click Login with Google, you'll be prompted to select which Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the correct one linked to your Whimsical boards for seamless access. Click on your account and you should be logged into Whimsical in no time. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Whimsical board that you're planning to export. Go ahead and open your board. This is the primary area where you conduct your work on diagrams, flowcharts, and more. Once you have your board open and ready, find the Share button. This is usually located towards the upper right area of the board interface. After clicking Share, a menu will appear with various options relating to sharing and exporting your board. Here your focus will be on exporting the board as an image. Look for the Export option and click on it. Whimsical provides easy-to-use tools, ensuring the export process is hassle-free. Once you've clicked on Export, a download option will appear. Click on Download, and Whimsical will begin preparing your board for export. This is where you select the format, typically an image file, which is perfect for presentations, documentation, or simply saving your work externally. The download will start and you'll have the image version of your board on your device in no time. Remember, exporting as an image can be incredibly useful. It allows you to share your board with others who may not have access to Whimsical or prefer a static version for easy viewing and printing. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to explore and experiment with the different formats and settings Whimsical offers to get the most out of your boards. Thank you for watching and happy designing on Whimsical.